Replace first occurrence of string in Python. I have some sample string. How can I replace first occurrence of the string in a longer string with empty string?
String replace function perfectly solves this problem. String.replace s, old, new, maxreplace return a copy of string s with all occurrences of substring old replaced by new. If the optional argument maxreplace is given, the first maxreplace occurrences are replaced.
Use read.sub directly. This allows you to specify a count. Note that the order of arguments is replacement, original not the opposite, as might be suspected.